Good evening from Athens, Greece. Today is actually my last day here in Athens, so I thought it was only right that I'll go and check out the sunset here in Athens, because I know that there's so much been written about it online, so I thought let me just go and experience it for myself. I'm actually heading up to Philopappou. Yeah, my pronunciation is just terrible, but I'm going to try and write down exactly where I'm going, just down below here. I think Philopappou Hill, that's where I'm going. I need to double check pronunciation, but just heading up there now. Hopefully it's not too busy, it's not too crowded, because today's a Sunday evening. It's around 8 o'clock now, and the sunset's around 8:30, 8:45, so we're almost there, almost time to set. Yeah, hopefully we do catch it in the right time. So let's go check out the sunset here in Athens. Like I am not too sure if I'm going the right way, but we're just going uphill, up, taking shortcuts. finally made it up the hill, and when I made it, there wasn't too many people up here, but afterwards, like, it became fully stacked. So I'm just walking to another direction just to see if there's less people there. But up here, like, it looks really nice, and I think I just came right on time as well, just before the sun is about to set. Well, it's pretty much setting now, and the color and the sky is looking golden. You can see the city. Yeah, check this out behind me. That looks unreal. That is pretty cool. Wow. So I think this is the perfect place to end this 7 months of journey from Turkey, Bangladesh, Nepal, and ending off here in Greece, and tomorrow back home to the UK until who knows until when. But yeah, it's been a crazy 7 months, and yeah, a nice place to end it. Thank you for being on this journey with me, and I'll see you until, I don't know, whenever. Have a nice one. Bye bye.